Cats, enigmatic, elegant, and independent. For millennia, these creatures have captivated our hearts and minds. From their sleek, muscular bodies to their piercing gaze, cats exude an aura of mystery and grace. This essay delves into the fascinating journey of these remarkable creatures. We will uncover their evolution, their cultural significance, and their enduring bond with humanity. Prepare to be amazed by the tale of the cat, a creature that has walked beside us through history. The story of the cat begins millions of years ago in a world vastly different from the one we know today. Their ancestors, small carnivorous mammals, roamed the earth alongside prehistoric giants, navigating a landscape teeming with danger and opportunity. Fossil evidence suggests that the first true cats, Pro-Ailurus, appeared around 25 million years ago. These early felines were pioneers, marking the beginning of a lineage that would evolve and adapt through the ages. These creatures were small and agile, with retractable claws and sharp teeth, perfectly designed for hunting and survival in their prehistoric world. Their physical traits set the foundation for the diverse family of cats we know today. Over time, cats evolved and diversified, spreading across the globe. They adapted to various environments, from dense forests to arid deserts, showcasing their incredible versatility and resilience. From the majestic lion ruling the savannas with its powerful presence, to the elusive snow leopard, master of the mountainous terrains, each species developed unique adaptations to thrive in their specific habitats. Their stories are a testament to the remarkable journey of evolution. But one lineage would embark on a remarkable journey, a journey that would lead them to our homes and hearts. The domestication of cats began thousands of years ago. As humans and felines formed a mutually beneficial relationship, cats helped control pests, and in return they found shelter and companionship. This bond has only grown stronger over time, making cats one of the most beloved pets around the world today. The relationship between humans and cats dates back thousands of years. From the earliest days of human civilization, cats have been our companions, protectors, and even deities. Their journey with us is a fascinating tale of mutual respect and admiration. In ancient Egypt, cats were revered as sacred animals. They were not just pets, but symbols of grace and poise. The Egyptians saw them as magical creatures capable of bringing good fortune and warding off evil spirits. They were associated with the goddess Bastet, who embodied protection, fertility, and motherhood. Bastet was often depicted with the head of a lioness or a domestic cat, signifying her dual nature of fierce warrior and nurturing mother. Cats were mummified, adorned with jewels, and even given their own cemeteries. This practice highlighted their importance in the afterlife, ensuring they would accompany their owners into eternity. The elaborate burial rituals for cats underscored their revered status in society. Their images graced temples and tombs, a testament to their esteemed status. Cats were often depicted in scenes of daily life, hunting or sitting regally beside their human companions, reflecting their integral role in Egyptian culture. Beyond Egypt, cats held a prominent place in other ancient cultures. They were seen as mystical and powerful beings, often associated with various deities and myths. Their presence in art and literature across civilizations speaks to their universal appeal. In Rome, they were symbols of liberty and independence, often depicted in mosaics and sculptures. The Romans admired their grace and agility, seeing them as embodiments of freedom and self-reliance. The Romans also appreciated their hunting skills, employing them to control rodents. Cats were essential in protecting food supplies and preventing the spread of disease, making them invaluable members of Roman households and farms. Their role as both protectors and symbols of independence solidified their place in Roman society. The exact process of cat domestication remains a subject of debate among scientists. Unlike dogs, which were likely domesticated for specific tasks like hunting or herding, cats may have chosen to live alongside humans. Drawn to human settlements by the abundance of rodents, cats gradually integrated themselves into our lives. Over generations, those with more tolerant and sociable temperaments were favored. This selection process, driven by both natural and human influences, led to the development of the domesticated cat we know and love today. Section 5. Voyages and adventures cats conquer the world. As humans ventured across the globe, cats accompanied them as companions and skilled pest controllers. They sailed on ships, traversed deserts, and explored new continents. Their adaptability and resilience allowed them to thrive in a variety of environments. From the bustling streets of London to the serene temples of Japan, cats carved their niche in societies worldwide. Their presence is documented in folklore, art, and literature, reflecting their enduring impact on human culture. Section 6: From pest control to pampered companions. For centuries, cats played a vital role in protecting crops and food stores from rodents. Their hunting prowess made them invaluable allies in homes, farms, and even royal palaces. However, as societies evolved, so too did our relationship with cats. Increasingly, they were valued not just for their practical skills, but for their companionship and affection. From working animals, they transitioned into beloved members of the family. Section 7: Modern Moggies, the reigning kings and queens of our homes. Today, cats reign supreme as one of the most popular pets globally. With their playful antics, soothing purrs, and independent spirits, they bring joy to millions of households. From the sleek Siamese to the fluffy Persian, there's a breed to suit every personality and preference. The rise of the internet has further fueled our fascination with these feline companions. Cat videos, memes, and social media accounts dedicated to our furry friends abound, celebrating their unique charm. Section 8: A Perfect Bond. The science behind our love for cats. What is it about cats that captivates us so? Scientists believe that our bond with cats is rooted in both biology and psychology. Studies have shown that interacting with cats can release oxytocin, a hormone associated with happiness and bonding. Their soft fur, rhythmic purring, and playful nature can have a calming and therapeutic effect on humans. Moreover, cats' air of independence and mystery adds to their allure, making them intriguing and endearing companions. Section 9: Through the Lens. Cats in art and culture. Throughout history, cats have left an indelible mark on art and culture. From ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs to Renaissance paintings, they have been immortalized in various mediums. In literature, cats feature prominently in fairy tales, myths, and novels. They are often portrayed as magical creatures, possessing wisdom, independence, and a touch of mischief. From the Cheshire Cat in Alice in Wonderland to the cunning felines in Edgar Allan Poe's tales, cats continue to inspire and intrigue artists and storytellers today. Section 10: A Legacy Etched in Time. The Enduring Allure of Cats. Cats have captivated human hearts and minds for thousands of years. Their mysterious and independent nature has made them both revered and adored across different cultures and eras. From their wild origins to their domesticated present, cats have journeyed alongside humanity for millennia. These fascinating creatures have evolved from wild hunters to beloved household pets. Adapting to various environments and lifestyles, cats have been a part of human history for as long as we can remember. They have journeyed alongside humanity for millennia, evolving and adapting to the changing world around them. From the ancient streets of Egypt to the modern-day living rooms, cats have found a way to integrate themselves into our lives. They have been worshipped as gods, cherished as companions, and celebrated in art and culture. In ancient Egypt, cats were considered sacred and were often depicted in hieroglyphics and statues. They were believed to bring good fortune and were even mummified and buried with their owners. Throughout history, cats have been a source of inspiration for artists and writers. Their enigmatic nature, independent spirit, and affectionate capacity continue to fascinate and endear them to us. From the paintings of the Renaissance to modern-day literature, cats have left an indelible mark on human culture. Their enigmatic nature, independent spirit, and affectionate capacity continue to fascinate and endear them to us. Cats are known for their independent behavior, yet they also form strong bonds with their human companions. They have a unique way of showing affection, whether it's through a gentle purr or a playful nudge. As we share our lives with these remarkable creatures, we are reminded of the enduring bond between humans and the animal kingdom. Cats bring joy, comfort, and companionship to millions of households around the world. They have a way of making us feel connected to nature and to each other. We are reminded of the enduring bond between humans and the animal kingdom. The relationship between humans and cats is a testament to the power of love and companionship. Whether it's a child playing with a kitten or an elderly person finding comfort in their feline friend, cats have a special place in our hearts. The story of the cat is a testament to the power of adaptation, the beauty of diversity, and the enduring magic of the natural world. Cats come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, each with their own unique personality and charm. They have adapted to various environments and have thrived in both urban and rural settings. The enduring magic of the natural world. Cats remind us of the beauty and wonder of the natural world. Their playful and curious behavior brings a sense of joy and wonder to our lives. They are a living testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature.